Hello everyone, myself Manjula Athani, HOD of Computer Department. Today I want to discuss with third unit part 4, fourth video. In this video we will see the action event classes. So first we will study the action event. So action event is generated when event is generated due to pressing a button, by selecting a menu item, or by selecting an item. This event occurs. So action event is occurring when pressing the button or selecting any menu item or selecting an item. This action event is occurring. The constructor in this class is action event. The parameters are object source, integer id, string command, long, when, integer modifier. The source indicates the object due to which the event generated. Object source means that source indicates the object due to which the event is generated. So that is the object that originates the event. And ID means the integer that identifies the event. We will see the example. And when means when the time of the event. Time denotes when this action event will be occurring. And modifiers means there are the modifier keys such as alter, control, shift. You are having the keys, all the keys. When you are pressing the keys, this event is occurring. The methods in the action event class are: first is string get action command. So this method is useful for obtaining the command string which is specified during the generation of the event. So get action command retrieves the name of the label of the button. And next method, integer get modifier. This method returns the value that indicates the type of the key you are pressing at the time of the event. So get modifier, so these are the modifier alt, control, shift, so that will be retrieved which key you are pressing. And long get when, that will returns at the time which the event occurs, that will retrieve at which time you are pressing this key. So these are the methods present in the action event class. And here the constants are, there are 4 constants in this action event. So these constants are alt, control mask, shift mask, meta mask, and alt mask. So shift mask, the shift modifier, and indicates that shift key was held down during the event. Same thing, control mask, this indicates the control key was held during this event. Like this, all these key events constants are there. Next, item event class. This event occurs when the item is selected on deselected. When you are selecting the item or deselecting the item, this item event is occurring. The constructor in this are item event, item selectable, integer, object, integer. So construct item event, item selected event object with the specified item selectable source type, an item select state. We'll see the example, we will see that how these constructors we are using. And methods is get item, returns the item where the event occurs. Get item selectable, you have to write like this only, get ka G small, I capital, S capital, there is no space, only one word, get item selectable. Returns the item selectable object where this event is originated. Next method, get state change, returns the state change type which generated the event. The constants in this are item first marks the first integer id for the range of item, item last marks the last integer id for the range of item, item state change event type, and selectable, the item selected state change type, deselected, the item deselected state change type. So these are the constants. Next, key event. This event is generated when key on the keyboard is pressed or released. Constructors are key event, component source, integer type, long t, int modifiers and int code. The source is the reference to the component that generate the event. The type specifies the type of the event. T denotes the system time at which the event occurs. The modifier represents the modifier keys such as Alt, Control, Shift that are pressed when the event occurs. The code represents virtual key codes such as VK up means virtual code up, escape and so on. So you are having the up arrow, down arrow, left key and right arrow keys. So these keys are represented VK up, VK down, right like this. And method is char is a return type. Get key char returns the character when a key is pressed. So suppose you want to retrieve the character which you have pressed from the keyboard, you can use the method get key char. And the constants here, key press, this event is generated when key is pressed. Key release, this event is generated when key is released. Key type, this event is generated when key is typed. So these are the constants in the key event. Mouse event class, this event occurs when mouse action occurs in the component. It reacts for both mouse event and mouse motion event. So in this mouse event and mouse motion event. Mouse event, when it occurs, mouse button is pressed, mouse button is released and mouse button is clicked. The mouse cursor enters a component, a mouse cursor exits a component. I will show you in this one example. All these events will explain in with the examples. Now let us study the theory part. A mouse motion event, mouse is moved and mouse is dragged. Mouse event class contains two event classes, mouse event and mouse motion event. Mouse event contains 5 types of events: mouse button click, release and press and release, enter and exit. Next, mouse motion, move and drag. Next, so methods in the mouse event are get button, it returns which of the mouse button has changed the state. Get click count, it returns the number of mouse clicks. Get location on screen returns the absolute X and Y position at that event. Get point returns the XY position of the event relative to the source component. Get X returns the horizontal X position of the event relative to the source component. Get Y returns the vertical position of the relative to the source component. The following are the fields of Java AWT event, mouse event class: mouse clicked event, mouse dragged event, mouse entered, mouse exited, mouse moved, mouse press, mouse release. So these are the events occurring in mouse event. Next is text event class. This event indicates that the object text is typed. Text event object source integer ID. It constructs the text event object. String param string, it is a method, returns the parameter string. Identify this text event. Text first, the first number in the range of ID is used for text event. Text last, the last number in the range of ID is used for the text event. Text value change, this event ID indicates that the object of the text is changed. Window event class, this event indicates that window has changed its states. Window event, parameter, window source and integer ID construct the window event object. Window event, source, ID, old state and new state. These are the parameters, 4 parameters. Construct the window object with a specified and previous and new states. Methods in the window event are integer get new state, it returns the new state of the window. Integer get old state, it returns the previous state of the window. Window get opposite window returns the other window involved in the focus or activation range. Window get event returns the originator of the window. These are the methods in the window event. Key events.